Hello and welcome to the show, Manish.
Hi Tejas, how are you?
Hi, good, thank you. Hope you're well. How have you been?
Not bad, Tejas. Just like everyone else in Australia, working from home.
Yeah, I can totally relate to it. We have been home since quite a few weeks, but things are getting better. So, welcome again. Before we launch into today's topic, which is the new business model Impact Stocks has launched for Australian export businesses, let me ask you a question. For people who don't know you much about you, um, and Impact Stocks. So, why did you start Impact Stocks? And tell us a little bit more about Impact Stocks and yourself.
So Tejas, I was working in the international trade domain in Southeast Asia and UK before moving to Australia in the year 2000. So when I moved to Australia, I was always keen to know how Australia exports and what are the business processes here in Australia. Around that time, in early 2000, Australian Customs launched a project called the Cargo Management Reengineering Project, where they were going to revamp their IT systems. And I got involved in that project, and we built some interfaces to Australian Customs. And that's where I got involved into the Australian export processes. And that was the starting point, really. We, after that, built the entire solution suite. And now we have a complete cloud-based solution to streamline and export operations of a company.
Interesting. So, can you tell us more about Impact Stocks?
Well, let me share my slide. Uh,
Sure.
Basically, Impact Stocks, just a minute, I'll just share my slide. Uh, Impact Stocks, it's been 15 plus years that Impact Stocks has been in operation. We have 600 plus clients in Australia. Three main parts to our business. Uh, and our online cloud-based solution, software solution. We have a services element around it where a lot of companies outsource work to us. So we have an export documentation, logistics management services, and also consulting around it. Uh, and also export consulting, where we provide expertise to clients on best practices and supply chain consulting. A team of close to around 30 plus consultants working in Australia. We've been here for many years. A lot of clients, agribusiness companies, waste paper exporters, scrap metal exporters, grain, horticulture, vitamins exporters deal with us. We deal with small to medium businesses to large businesses. Freight forwarders deal with us also. They in turn use our solution to provide value-added services to their clients. We deal with various industry verticals: meat, dairy, wool, skin, horticulture, steel, mining, etc.
Right, right.
Been there for many years. Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's interesting. And so let's launch into today's main topic, which is the new business model which Impact Stocks has launched. Can you tell us a bit more about that, and how does it help exporters?
Yes, Tejas. So we've been doing this for many years, and one of the always questions we ask internally in our team is, how can we do this better? And over the years, we have refined our managed services or ability to deliver solutions and services to our clients, which is exporters. And we become so good at it that we actually can literally give them a substantial saving in cost and literally turn around documents faster, which in turn allows them to get paid faster. Uh, the traditional model has been very inefficient. High cost, fixed cost of operations. The exporter would ideally like to focus on business development and not really worry about the execution once he gets an order from overseas. But there are logistics challenges, documentation compliance requirements, importing, exporting country requirements. Also, the seasonality of Australian businesses. The grain, the horticulture exports are seasonal, requiring you to retain and train staff. Doesn't allow you to really scale. And then this fixed cost really reduces your margin. What we have noticed is that we can reduce their cost by close to around 50 to 60% using our managed services approach. And for a seasonal business who really need staff only for the months of the year where they have volumes, our managed services flexible approach helps them to really use us when they need us, and for the times of the year when they need us, and pay us for those times only. So really reduces their overhead cost, and aligns to their business cycle. Uh, and The way we can approach this, the way we are able to reduce costs, is because we have a very highly lean and efficient team backed by our online system. What I mean is that our team is experienced over the years dealing with multiple clients, different industries, in letters of credits, compliance requirements, importing, exporting country requirements. And we have this online solution which we use internally ourselves for assisting a client to be on top of things. It helps in the visibility and transparency of documents. The clients can log in at any point of time. And for us to get automated alerts, we link to various regulatory authorities. So we get automated alerts and quickly get the work done. Right. So we can do more documents with the same number of people. And that really makes us efficient and helps in turn to reduce the cost to our clients. They helps for them to export faster and get paid faster.
Okay, that's really good. And this exporters which you were mentioning could be of any size, or do they have to of a specific size?
Not you're very right. It's really the flexible engagement. So they can be a large volume exporter, or an ad hoc exporter, or a regional or a seasonal exporter, okay. and we work as per what suits them. We put the arrangement in place. It can be by month, by season, by resource, by shipment, and we just do it in a manner which will suit their business cycle. So really, we're quite flexible, and it can suit any business size. Yeah.
Right. And do you have any examples which you can give us of how you're working with companies?
Absolutely. So we have we're dealing with this company for some time. It's a leading Australian agribusiness exporter. And they started, they hired off from our parent company, and they started, they wanted to hit the ground up and running. And we're looking for a team, a back office team, to assist them in their export management, logistics, supply chain side of things. So they were predominantly a couple of traders who wanted to start trading, but we did not want to get involved in execution. And they were looking for a partner whom they can rely on, who knows their stuff. And this is where we came in, and we really got up and running, hit the ground running, and we could really assist them on contract management, shipping, documentation, and compliance, and really are now are very closely working with them, and really have helped them. And this is what we have noticed in the last 1 year. We helped them to reduce their costs by around 61%, as there are no fixed overheads, and they're dealing with a very expert team, which to resource and train. For them, it would have been really a lot of time and money. So we have really been able to hit the ground running, and they have been able to grow their business 3 times from February 18 to today, and with a saving of 61% in their back office cost.
That's really impressive, Manish. So just to understand what sort of volumes they have in terms of shipments, etc., can you just tell the viewers?
They do close to 30 shipments a month. But again, as I mentioned, we really don't need to have that volume to give that level of saving to our customers. It can be customers of any size. Our solution and our systems around it, our whole online system with the expert team backing it, is really can help our customers to achieve the savings. Could be in 1 shipment, 10 shipments, or 30 shipments a month. Yeah.
Right. Okay, that's interesting. And if somebody from our viewers want to know more about and get in touch, where should they be
Yes,
going?
Please drop us an email, sales@mpextalks, call us or visit our website. We'll be happy to talk. We do this for many clients. Many of them we are not able to share names because of confidentiality reasons. We like to understand your business and give you a solution which suits your needs.
All right, viewers. So note the email ID, the business, the email address is also pretty simple. The website is impextalks.com.au. So Manish, thank you very much for coming today. I'm sure we'll be talking more often on the show and off the show. Thank you very much, and be safe. Have a nice evening.
Thanks, Tejas. Thanks for having me on the show.